practical tips for brokers. Ang pagkakakalala ko kasi sa'yo, you're very, aside from having a very good work ethic, you're very principled, di ba? Very important sa'yo yung values mo. Malinaw sa utak mo what's important, what's not. You know how to compartmentalize things. So in terms of, kumbaga, sharing mga valuable lessons to other brokers, ano yung parang personal values or habits or disciplines na you feel can contribute to somebody being an award-winning broker?
Sa akin, number one is you have to establish na trust between brokers. How do you establish that? You have to be transparent from the very beginning, especially yung mga bagong kakilala.